This giant chunk of metal is a multi-lock padlock. Multi-lock patented. This is 5-pin pins, serrated drivers. I got it used off of eBay. It is very used. It is very dirty. Maybe something like 4. So 1, 2. I did something. 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Click out of 5. Make sure I got these up here. 1, 2, 3. Got something. I'm gonna drop something or overset something. I hope I didn't just overset it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try it again. Okay. Alright. One, 2. Just click out of 1. 3 clicks out of 2. 4. A couple of clicks out of 5. 2. 1, 2, 3, and I just dropped some stuff, but that's fine. These things aren't really that straightforward. It happens. Trying to make sure I got all these outside pins set. And then I gotta, so there's 2. Alright, there we go, I think, almost. There we go. Okay, so I just got it into the deeper false set. Now I just gotta find the pins. 2, 3, 4. Five. And it's open. So, yep, that is my giant brown belt 5-pin and pin serrated driver multi-lock patented padlock.